Hello and welcome to another update video about Render. Render is just rather boring at the moment, yeah, rather boring. The idea is that, the price is likely, I have to go to the daily chart, the price, well, at least could be in this C wave to the upside, okay? This is basically the more directly, or the more direct bullish count in which Render could participate in a bull run. The white structure here in which since this, or between June 22 and now, basically an ABC structure has started to unfold in the white scenario. So the A wave basically then in 3 waves topped in May last year. Then a B wave pullback, rather shallow, but B waves can be shallow. And the C wave could be an ending diagonal, could basically be unfolding. I haven't got a very good reading of the microstructure. However, that doesn't mean it's bearish. It just means that the microstructure isn't very clear, and we might have to prepare for changes in the microstructure. Okay, so however, the support levels don't lie, and the idea is that as long as the price is holding above $1.71, so that's basically the risk in this current scenario, we can see the move down, the current pullback, as a wave 2, with trend continuation higher as likely scenario. In this scenario, in which a B wave indeed formed a low in last year, that was in August, by the way. Topped in May, bottomed in a wave B in August. The target that we would normally look at in a C wave target range starts basically at $13. It's the 100% extension level. But given that the wave 1, if this is wave 1, again, the microstructure isn't entirely clear. If this is wave 1, then it should probably stretch a little higher, possibly to $23 or even $32 in a bull run. Condition is, as I said, the $1.71 level needs to hold, but it gives you already from here a really good reward to risk ratio. Now, still, it doesn't mean, go all in. It's just a projection that depends on the bull's ability to hold support. So it's all about position sizing, stop losses, and understanding when the structure breaks. Now, looking then at the 4-hour chart, it seems to me that Render is still in a corrective pattern. So if this wave 1 really topped, that was in December last year, then the wave 2 could be unfolding, and in line with many other coins, we seem to be dealing with a deeper pullback. And it seems that an A wave bottomed here on the 8th of January. B wave rally. Okay, B wave could also turn into a triangle. I will, however, change the wave degree there of this wave 2, of the ABCs. So it could be in a B wave now, B wave still, or even, the B wave might turn into a triangle, or it's just forming a normal ABC. That we'll see, but the standard resistance area for wave B is between $4 and the standard resistance for wave B is between 425 and 484. Doesn't mean it has to stop there, so B waves can overshoot. But that's the standard resistance area, and as long as the move up remains corrective, we would expect another move into support in wave C, possibly targeting $3.09 or $2.59 next, okay? But there is currently no evidence that wave B has topped. A break below these swing lows here, however, would suggest that the B wave has topped. I'd be looking at a break below 365 to suggest that the C wave is unfolding. And once we have a confirmation that wave C is unfolding, we can also calculate a target for wave C. So only really below 170, something more bearish is going to play out. Until then, I'm watching for higher prices. However, it's very likely that a deeper pullback will start first, or will happen first. So that basically this pullback isn't even over yet. Okay, the A wave seems finished. The B wave is likely unfolding now. We're still moving in very messy corrective structures, and the C wave should then be a 5-wave move to the downside that takes us into the support range or trading area. It's basically an area in which the price should turn around if this scenario is correct. That doesn't mean it will turn around, but it means this is an area where anybody who's interested in Render might want to look for long opportunities. Okay, that's my update about Render. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.